What are you eating? Spency, what are you eating? Hey, Spency. You're all done? You are all done. You ate a lot of apple. Is it yummy? Is that yummy? You don't like the skin? You don't have to eat that part. Eat the yellow part, Spency. You eat all the yellow. Eat this side. What, Oliver? Is it good? Is that good apple? You can give Mommy some? Can I have a bite? Thank you. You want some apple? Bitsy ate it all. I have to get you a new one.
I was buying apple. No, one blue apple.
You want a blue apple?
Yes. That's apple. That's orange apple.
Orange apple? Okay. Spency. Spency eating this apple. Look how much you ate.